Hi, let me show you how you can edit the prescription before you send it out to the patient. And once you're at the prescription, then you can actually enter the medications. I've already entered them here. I'm going to enter Tylenol, maybe tablet, 100 mg, stat, add it. So if I don't, let's say I did a mistake with Tylenol, I don't want it, then I'll just close that or remove it from there. Right, Pantocid tablet, 40 mg before breakfast for 10 days. Alright, special instructions: avoid oily food, maybe. And if I need the patient to have a follow-up date, and the follow-up actually shows up on the call coordinator list, so that they can call the patient and let them know that there's a follow-up schedule for them. I hit complete. It's asking me for my signature. I sign, I submit. It loads the review, and at the prescription review I still have an option to hit next here on the right or go back. So once I hit back, it saves everything. It's still here, it has not moved forward. So I just want to add another test, maybe HbA1c. When I'm done, I hit complete. Now I need to sign again. It shows Pantocid, paracetamol, everything in one line, and then suggested investigations. It says 1.125 dihydroxyvitamin and glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, essentially. And then I hit next. So this is where you hit send PDF to send it to the patient. And once you hit send PDF, the prescription goes out as an SMS to the patient. All right, hit OK, and that's the end of it.